If you want to make a simple banana pie recipe, please keep watching. We will start with a basic pie crust and then follow with the banana filling. This is a very simple recipe to make and I hope you enjoy this video.
Look for me. Damn, I walk the line. Always in the north side.
First of all, you will need 2 cups of sifted soft flour. You will also need about 3/4 cup of margarine. This is the rubbing in method. Let it pass through your fingers lightly. Do not exert any pressure when you are rubbing it in between your palms. Make sure your margarine and your flour is well incorporated. This takes some time. Please take your time to mix it really well. Now that this is done, create a well in the center and add in 1/4 cup of water. I used really cold water. Now mix it together to form a ball and set your basic pie crust aside. You can improve on this crust by adding in some salt, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, anything you want, but this is just the basic. Now I'm going to cut up my 5 small bananas. If you have a really large banana, you can use 1 or 2, just any amount that you want. Now that this is done, I'm going to now add in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a splash of lemon. Mix it all together, make sure your banana is well coated, then add in about 1.5 tablespoons of syrup. And a pinch of salt. Mix it all together. Your filling is done. Now roll your pie crust and using a circle cutter, cut it into various sizes. You can use a small circle cutter or a large one depending on what you're going for. Put your banana in the middle and using a fork you seal your pie. You can also use a pie cutter. I chose to use a fork. Take your time throughout this entire process and finish your entire crust and your filling. Look at how beautiful it already looks. Now that it's all completed, I'm putting it on a baking sheet and I'm going to bake it in a 200-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is our complete banana pie recipe. It tasted so good. The sweetness of the banana in combination with the crust, the salt, syrup. In fact, I really enjoyed this, and whoever you're making this for is definitely going to enjoy it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye.